Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book on the alto sax with line 3, which note is it? So now you would have to refer back to the first two lines and your fingering chart at the top of the page to help you remember which note it is. So let's go through this together. At the beginning we have our treble clef, which is what the alto sax reads. Then we have our 4/4 time signature. Top number tells you how many beats are in each measure. The bottom number gives you the value of the whole note, in which case it is 4. So we hold each whole note for 4 counts for the whole measure, and then we rest for 4 counts for the whole measure. And we have to decide which note it is. So our first note is on the 4th line, that is a D. Remember that the D is the octave key on the back, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the front. So all of your fingers are working except your pinkies. So while you're holding that D, and then you're resting for 4 counts each, look ahead to see what's next. This is a different note. It's on the 3rd space and it is a C. So it's 1 letter lower than the D. And the C is just the middle finger on the 2nd key at the top of the instrument, so left hand. All right, so you're holding that for 4 counts and then you get to rest. While you're resting, look ahead to the next line. It's the same note, so you play C again. Then we rest, and while you're holding and resting, look ahead. Oh, we change again. Now we're back to the D. All the fingers working, even the thumb, except the pinkies. And then we have one final note, which is back to the C. So just the middle finger. So we're starting you off pretty slow and easy, letting you have think time to process what fingers to put down, what sound should come out, and which note is it. So I'm going to play this, and I'm going to start each note with a t sound, tip of the tongue, tip of the reed, and my metronome is playing at 80 beats per minute. You can listen first and then roll this back and play along with me, or you can go ahead and go for it and play with me. But I'm going to play line 3, which note is it? 1, 2, ready. Look ahead, change. Next line, same note. Look ahead, D. Back to C. And that is it for line 3, which note is it? I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.